Hey y'all, this is Melissa with Simple RV Cooking. Hey, well, we won't be doing any cooking videos for a little while, just to see. We've got to find a place to go. This place is flooded. This has been our home for a while now, so it's very devastating, very sad. Please pray for us. It's in Alabama. Um, it's very devastating. This used to be a road. All this had campers, and a lot of the campers are out now. So it's just devastating to think that, water can do this much damage. But it does happen. So please just keep us in your prayers, and I'll post something soon when I can. Something's floating in the water. What is that? Swimming in the water. Let's see what that is. I think it's a little duck. It's a little duck. Yeah. Oh boy. But y'all take care, and I'll post a video soon, okay?